In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Instagram post using PowerPoint, perfect for designing a professional looking Instagram post template. It might surprise you, but PowerPoint can be a powerful tool for crafting eye-catching social media graphics. So let's dive right into the process. First, let's open PowerPoint on your computer. If PowerPoint is already open, simply navigate over to your PowerPoint presentation. If you haven't started a new presentation yet, go ahead and do so now. This way we have a blank canvas to work with. Next, you'll want to head over to the Design tab at the top of the screen. This is where all the magic happens. Once there, look for the option named Slide Size. It might be in the upper right corner, so keep your eyes peeled for that button. Upon clicking it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Go ahead and choose Custom Slide Size from that menu. In the dialog box that appears, you'll need to adjust the width and height of your slide to perfectly fit an Instagram post. Instagram posts are typically square, so enter 1080px for both the width and the height. This gives us a perfect 1:1 square ratio, which Instagram loves. Once you've entered those dimensions, simply click on OK to apply the changes. You now have a perfectly sized canvas ready for your Instagram masterpiece. With your slide size set, it's time to prepare your design for export. Go to the File tab in the top menu. From there, select Export. This is an essential step because we're aiming to turn your PowerPoint slide into an image file. As soon as you're in the export menu, select Change File Type. Here, you'll be presented with several options for different file types. For Instagram, a JPEG will work perfectly, so go ahead and choose that option. It's a common file format that will maintain the quality of your design, making it look great when you upload it. Now let's save your file. Click on Save As and choose a location on your computer where you'll easily find it later. At this point you'll need to type in a file name. Choose something descriptive that reflects the contents of your post. Once you're happy with the name, finalize it by clicking OK. And there you have it, you've successfully created an Instagram post using PowerPoint. With the JPEG file ready, you can now upload it straight to Instagram and share your creativity with the world. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you experiment with different elements and styles, the more skilled you'll become at crafting beautiful, engaging posts. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!